my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Brittany. So in today's video, I have another synthetic wig review for you guys. So this is a new drop from OUTRE. This is from their OUTRE Melted Hairline series, which is the one that most of us, you know, really check for. So I am going to be reviewing the wig KAMALIA, and I have her in a 1B. So I'm a number 2 girl, but KAMALIA dropped last week or earlier this week. She was already sold out on a lot of websites, which is annoying. I hate when that happens, but that's how it is in the wig streets, especially with synthetic wigs. So I got this wig because I watched Courtney Janine. I watched her review, and I think she had a number 2, and it looked very beautiful on her. And she said that she thought it was like KAMALIA, which y'all know I love, but as a side part. And then I've seen other people say it reminds them of Seraphine, which I didn't really like Seraphine. So we'll see. So this is kind of risky too, because today, as I'm filming this, we are celebrating my birthday as well as my sister's birthday, because we both have May birthdays, and it's just arrived in the mail. So I'm going to apply her and then take a shower and get ready, and then we'll see how she looks in real life and everything. So she just came in the mail. I ordered mine from Hair to Beauty, because at the time, earlier this week, this was like one of the few websites that had her, but since then, Wig Types has had a restock and other websites as well. So she's gonna be available on multiple websites. So I usually don't go for 1Bs because they tend to look too harsh and too dark against my complexion. I can still get away with wearing, you know, super dark wigs, just as long as it has some texture to it. Because, you know, extra dark wigs, when they're like silky, just looks bad. So this morning I just got some fresh straight back braids in. I go to like a hairstylist to do my braids because my braids look janky when I do them myself. So I did that, got that done this morning. So my foundation is going to be very flat. I tend to wear black wig caps instead of brown or light brown, because if you have a HD lace kind of wig or anything like that, sometimes you can see the lace through the cap. Do whatever you want, but I have noticed ever since like Sensational Morgan dropped in 2018 that the lighter color wig caps don't work with those kinds of wigs or these kinds of wigs. Black wig caps are the best way to go. So let's see how she fits. Now I was watching the reviews, and because I watched Courtney is the person who made me buy this wig, but I've seen other reviews and she just looks super long. And with the phase I'm in life right now, 18 inches is probably like my cap. I don't really like long wigs, but this is how long she is. She has barrel curls in her. She is very dark in that 1B. This is that curved part. It is a left side part, so if you're a left side part girl, this one's for you. There's a comb on the right side, on the left side, in the back. And then we have this elastic band here. And we have adjustable straps. So I want to see what it feels like without using the elastic band. And then we'll see what it feels like with it. Okay, I know I have on all black now, but my top I'm going to wear is going to be white. You guys will get a better look at it. Okay, so without the elastic band, I feel like it's fairly comfortable. It's like a medium-ish cap. If you have a large head like me, it's 23 inches in circumference, and this is pretty comfortable. Now, I know if I put this elastic band on, this is going to be tight, which for some people is good because you can wear it glueless that way, but I am going to be wearing this all day, and I don't want my head to be throbbing. Oh yeah, you can, for sure. It feels very tight that way. I'm not gonna do that. That's just not gonna work for me. Way too tight that way. But what I did notice is that hairline is actually pre-plucked. The last OUTRE Melted Hairline wig that I reviewed was Bria Lynn, and not all wigs work on my channel, and Bria Lynn was not a winner for me. So, but OUTRE actually tweezed this hairline up, so I'm pretty impressed with that, and I'll show you guys that. I actually would even, you know, cut that elastic band out because I know that's not going to work for me. Okay, let's pull this down. Let's get into this hairline. It looks pre-plucked to me. I think it looks good. I love to do my stuff extra though, because I know what I'm doing, and then this already looks good. So if you're a beginner, leave it like it is, but I know I'm gonna tweeze it up a little bit, and not a whole bunch, but just a little bit more. And I'm not gonna tint the lace on this because the lace tint that I currently have from Eben is too dark for me now. It just doesn't look good outside. On camera, it looks fine, but in real life, it just comes off as too dark. So I'm not using the light warm brown anymore. I actually saw that, and I'm gonna have another video where I say this as well. I saw Deanna Monet use light beige, and I didn't even know Eben had a lighter shade than light warm brown, but I bought it after she mentioned that one of her, I actually think she mentioned it in her review of this wig. And so I went ahead and picked it up. So it's on the way. And I'm not going to have to go in crazy with this wig with the tweezing because it's already done well. So that's why I'm just showing this part on camera. I usually don't wear my glasses. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Okay, that's enough tweezing. So I'm gonna comb out the shedding hair and start to apply it. And this texture is a yaki texture. It's like a light yaki texture. It has a really great luster to it. This is a wig I feel like is gonna take well to the pure silicone spray that Is That Your Hair put us on, because it's not like too curly. And your brush is gonna go through it well. So because this is longer, and I'll show you guys the length and everything once I change my shirt, this is gonna get some tangling, but you gotta know what you're getting yourself into. So far, I think this is nice.
Too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours, show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now, show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. All of your love. Yeah. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say.
Alright guys, so I'm back and I have applied KAMALIA. So I'm going to try to speed through this quickly because we have to leave the house in less than 15 minutes. I saw the supplies and everything I used to apply this wig. I used the Eben adhesive spray, and I used the Got To Be Glued gel in the black bottle to further melt this wig down with the end of my rat tail comb. And then I used my elastic band to make sure this lace was melted. So I've been doing that lately. It works better than just using a silk scarf. So I did that, and then this is what we have here. So KAMALIA is very long. She is about, I don't know y'all, she might be like 24 inches and I'm 6 feet tall. You guys saw footage of how she looks in the back and everything. So for me, this texture is like a light yaki. It feels just like the texture that KAMALIA has, in my opinion. The cap size to me is, if you use the elastic band, it's gonna be small, but if you don't use it, it's gonna be like medium. But I don't feel like it's insanely uncomfortable for big head people like myself, so I feel like it's comfortable. So I'm just gonna say it's medium to big head friendly if you don't use the elastic band. So I feel like it's gonna work for everybody's head size, because the elastic band is gonna work for small head people, and then for big head people, don't use that. So let's do the pros first. The pros, I like the overall look of it. I think this length is super long. I do like my wigs to be about right here nowadays, but it's not. If you don't like long hair, don't get this wig because it's super long. But it's still a pretty look, a very like glamorous look. I do like the luster of this wig, and the hairline was actually pre-plucked, but I did go in and tweeze it up some more. The luster of this wig looks very natural because of the texture. As far as the cons go, I do like the style, but I kind of don't like this situation right here. I wish the curls, it gave me more of a feathering situation. So I kind of feel like I want to go in and, you know, cut this layer a little bit more so it'll do what I want it to do. So this is similar to KAMALIA, but this is a set left side part, and this is longer than KAMALIA. Okay, I did a sunlight test for you guys, because really I do the sunlight test, you know, for you guys, but I also do it for myself because I'm wearing this out today and I don't want to look dumb when I'm out. So I showed you guys in high direct light as well as low light and shade, because they can, you know, read a little bit differently. So it looks pretty good. It definitely looks good in like direct high sunlight, and in shade you can kind of see my lace a little bit, but it's still not terrible, because I've had my lace look terrible before and this doesn't look terrible to me. So I hope you guys are enjoying the sunlight test, because I feel like it's going to be a staple on my channel, and I'm going to say that in another video, because this one is kind of recorded after that one that's going up next week. Looks pretty good in natural lighting. I do have shedding with this wig, but I tweezed the hairline up, so that's probably where some of that shedding is coming from. The melted hairline series, even if it's, you know, small for some people, they usually give us an excess amount of lace. So I cut a lot of the lace off around my ear And so I just did that so it would fit to my head. And I see a lot of people do that as well because they usually give us way too much lace. But overall, this is pretty nice. It's just, if you wanted Kamalia with a side part, this is similar. I don't think it's like all the way the same because it is much longer. I have seen people say it's like Kamalia and Seraphine together, which I feel like it is as well. I think it's overall a nice wig, and OUTRE did a good job with actually giving us that pre-plucked hairline that we are accustomed to have with this particular collection. So overall, I'm gonna give this wig, I'm gonna give it a solid 8.5, 9. I need to wear this out and see how I feel about it and everything. Some wigs I know, you know, more quickly if I like really like it, but I think this is a 8.5, 9, which is a wig that means I recommend it, but I'm gonna see how I feel out and about with this wig. And this is a 1B. I don't think the 1B looks bad on me, but I am a number 2 girl. It's a nice contrast. So if there's anything I left out in this video that you would like to know that I did not address, please just ask me down in the comments and I'll get to you as quickly as possible. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. I have so much content coming for you guys in June. I was, you know, planning to take a break, but I feel my creative juices flowing, so I'm going to be doing a lot of content for you guys. Super excited about summer. Subscribe if you haven't already. Shout out to my Premiere Squad for watching right now. Talk to me down below. What do you feel about Kamalia? Have you picked it up? It seems like it's, you know, pretty popular right now. Tell me if you picked it up and what color you got. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Baby, so come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move,